Okay, guys, going back to Ask Scruff. It's a question for Mickey G. Salute to you, Mickey. It's not a bad question, actually. I've often heard you say this is about to pop, and I'm just wondering what's telling you that. Is it simply flaring of a bolly, overstretched RSI? And will this be on a 15 5-minute time frame? Might never seem to pop when you want to. Neither. It's basically, it's across multi-time frames. You can't figure anything out on a single time frame. You really can't. I see it all the time, you know, follow my system and it'll be fine on a 1-minute chart. You cannot read it. But if you look at multiple time frames and they're all stretched, then yeah, there's a good opportunity something's going to happen. Then you combine it with a level. Right, so it's stretched, it's at a level. Can it get any higher? Don't know. Look at a Bollinger Band. Ideally, what I want to see is a Bollinger Band actually compressing, not flaring. And then what that tells me is it's like a coiled spring. It's pushing down together. The energy can't take it anymore. It's at the level, pop, and away it goes. And you'll see it down on a lower time frame, but all of the indication of what happened, it'll be on the higher time frame. The thing with trading is everybody seems to go low in the chart looking for the system. And that's why most people fail. Go out of the chart. And the higher up you go, the more of the image you see. And if it's stretched to hell up there, there's going to be a massive reaction at the other end. And that's where I see it. So I hope that helps. Catch you soon.